Hello all, welcome to NetSetOS. Today in this video we will discuss about diameter of binary tree. First, let us know what is diameter. If we come across a circle where line passes through, which is passing through the center of the circle, whereas there are other lines passing through it, they are called chords. Whereas this maximum line, why I am saying this maximum line? As it is passing through the center of the circle, is known as diameter. Now with respect to binary tree, diameter is longest path. Longest path between AND nodes, which can be either one of them. But the path connecting to two nodes should be longest. Now in this binary tree, we have the longest path, this one, where we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 nodes. And if we consider edges are which are connecting two nodes. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 edges. And this longest path is said to be diameter. And in this question we will discuss about diameter of binary tree. Now for calculating diameter, there are two cases. First, including root, the root which is the parent node. And the second case will be not including root. As you can see here, the longest path is this one, where there is root is not covered. Here this is the longest path, which has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 edges. So here we need to calculate each and every way through which we should get longest path. That's all. So we'll be discussing both the cases. First, let us discuss for including root. When we are including root, it is same as maximum depth when we were calculating the height of binary tree. I have made a video for this. You can refer it. So it is same as maximum depth, where we need to calculate for left subtree, then right subtree, then this root. So we will calculate left subtree plus right subtree plus 1. 1 is for root. So this is when we are including root. But what about when we are not including the root? Because our longest path, or rather diameter, lies in the region where root is not included. So for that case, what I'll do, first I will take the left part as like this. This is the left dia. And then the right dia. And simultaneously we'll be calculating maximum depth for both of them, which is L height plus R height plus 1. 1 is for root. Remember, this is same as which we have taken when we were including root. Because here we have this root. We are considering this to be a root over here. So we will take this left dia and we will calculate left height for this, then right height, then plus 1 for root. Similarly, we will be calculating for right dia. And then whichever is maximum among this left dia or right dia, we will take one of them, right? Now let's take, if we have been given this binary tree, we are not aware whether our diameter will including root or not including root. So what we'll do, we will take firstly with root, then without root. With root, we have calculated the maximum depth, the height of binary tree, which is left height plus right height plus 1 is for root, as it is for with root. And simultaneously we'll be taking for without root, which is max of left dia and right dia. Here we got with root and without root, because there can be situation where we can get diameter, or without root also we can get diameter. So what we'll do, we will calculate both of them and we will take max of both. In whichever condition we are getting the maximum edge will be the length of longest path, which is diameter of binary tree. So what we'll do, we will calculate with root, then without root, and we will take max of both of them. Whichever is maximum will be diameter of binary tree. Now let's read the question, which says, given a binary tree where you need to compute the length of diameter of tree and the diameter of binary tree is the longest path, and this path may or may not pass through the root, which we have taken with root or without root. And in note we have been given the length of path between two nodes is represented by number of edges between them. Here we got specifically to calculate edges. So here nodes won't be there. We need to calculate 8 edges for this binary tree. And if it is without binary tree, there will be 7 edges. So let's go to PyCharm and we will take an example. With that we will solve a Python code. So here we are. First we will take diameter of binary tree, where we will see whether root is none or not. If root is none, that means there is no root, so it will return 0 then and there. Otherwise it will calculate first L height and R height, and it will include L height and R height here. And if we go to this height tree, here I have made a function for it, which will be taking the root with it. So with this I got with root condition and also without root. This all is happening with the help of recursion, and whichever will be maximum among this L diameter or right diameter will be taken here, as here we have this left diameter. Then it will calculate its maximum, whichever value is maximum, if it is with root or without root, which is L diameter, will be taken into consideration, and this value will be returned as diameter of binary tree. So here I took this binary tree which I have drawn over here. It is supposed to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here 5 edges. If we take with respect to 4, 2, 1, 9, 10, they have 1, 2, 3, 4 edges only. Now if we take with respect to 4, 2, 1, 3, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4 edges only. So this is the only edge which has 5 edges. Hope you like my video. So please do like my video and do comment. If you're finding this content useful, please let me know, because it motivates me a lot. So do comment and share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.